What are the structure of English as a course? It's a course that explores English grammar, syntax, and morphology and phonology. To understand a sentence, a sentence formation and meaning. What are the key learning from this course? I learned to identify and analyze the sentence elements, understand grammar rules, and improve my writing skills. How can this knowledge help me as a future English teacher? I can I can effectively teach my I can effectively teach grammar and writing skills to help my student master English in the future. And what challenges did I experience during the course? The grammar concept and how to apply them in the exercise was challenging. In writing exercise was challenging.